part of your normal routine cleaning and maintenance at ROM roll-up door, we recommend go-to would be first starting off with mild soap and water. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking my mild soap and water and I'm getting inside the track. I don't know if you can see this, but that dirt there, you can see it starting to come clean. Do this a couple times, it'll start come clean and you get rid of all that dirt and grime. We'll not only do the track all the way up, but I will also do the seals as dirt and grime build up on it as well. A lot of departments like to use lubricant, such as WD-40. This is not what we would recommend for lubricating your tracks. It's an oil-based substance and it attracts dirt, okay? What we do recommend is a non-oil-based substance, such as dry silicone. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this inside your track all the way down, and I would also do the other side as well. All the way down. Now, after you got your lube in, you want to test your door. Actually, after that lubing of the tracks, I can actually feel the difference on the function of the door. It's a lot smoother after lubing the tracks. We recommend you get your doors on a cleaning and maintenance schedule, depending on how often your trucks get out in service.